Hey guys, how are you doing out there? This is Ryan. Welcome to my home away from home here in Querétaro, Mexico. A little Airbnb where I stay with my girlfriend every 6 months or so. I wanted to talk just really briefly, or not talk, I guess show briefly some variations that you can do for that session that I just posted, or if you're on the Easy Feldenkrais website down below, called 4 points. There's different versions of that, of the session. I consider it a classic session from the Esalen workshop. I love it because I didn't discover it until years after starting Feldenkrais, doing Feldenkrais, and it had some really kind of strange effects on me that I liked. But we all have different abilities. Some of us have different injuries. Some of us are coming from different backgrounds. So the actual session, as Moshe taught it, he wanted to have you on all 4 points. So you kind of bend down, and can you actually see I think you can see my hands. So that you're actually down on all fours. So you see here I have my hands down and my feet, and I'm going to ask you to do some variations. Lift one hand, lift one foot. You'll see in the actual session how that goes. But if you're not comfortable doing that, if it's too difficult for now to get in that position, you can find something stable like this bench, little picnic table thing that's in my place here. So you can see I can have full weight on my hands, and this is actually much more comfortable. So maybe start here if that other position is not okay for you. Or if you had another for like I have a table back there that you can see. Here's the top of my table here. Does that make sense? So anywhere that you can go, I even have some stairs here. So this is a little bit higher. This is a little bit higher. Any type of configuration you can get in where you can have your hands and your feet in sort of a table position, a bear position, walking on all fours position. Okay, I hope that made sense, and I hope you guys can hear me all right. If you have any questions, leave them down below.